Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you the best gaming PC that you can build for under $500. So before we start the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get started. So with this PC, you'll be able to play almost any game out there at the highest settings, and with most of the games, you'll even be able to play at 4K with very good frame rates. The build also includes all new parts and comes just under $500 when including all the parts of the PC excluding the OS. So for the processor, we have the Intel Core i3-7100, which is a dual-core CPU clocked at 3.9 GHz and also supports hyper-threading, which helps it act like a quad-core CPU but having a very low price. It is perfect for gaming, and even things like light photo and video editing is doable on the CPU. For the motherboard, we have the ASRock H110M motherboard. It is a micro ATX motherboard with very good support for almost every CPU and GPU, which will enable you to upgrade this PC later in the future without changing the motherboard. Also, it has 2 RAM slots, which will help you easily upgrade the RAM in the future, and it has a max capacity of 32GB, which is more than enough for this build. Speaking of the RAM, this PC will have 8GB of Corsair Vengeance RAM. It is a single 2400MHz stick, which means that it will be very fast, and as it is DDR4, it will be quite a bit better and faster than if we went with DDR3, and also 8GB is more than enough right now for gaming. For the power supply, we have the EVGA 450W B1 80 Plus bronze power supply. 450 watts will be enough for this build, and even if you want to upgrade in the future. And also, as it is 80 plus rated, it will be very efficient and will last for a long time. For the hard drive, we have a Western Digital Blue 1TB hard drive. It will be good enough for this build and will be fast enough, and if you don't want a hard drive or want something faster, you can always upgrade to an SSD, which will give you really fast speeds. Now for the star of the show in this PC, and the thing that will turn this PC into a gaming PC, which is the GPU. And in this PC, we have the AMD Radeon RX 470. The RX 470 is one of the best budget GPUs that you can buy for under $200. It comes with 4GB of GDDR5 memory and enables this PC to play almost any game out there at the highest settings, and even some games at 4K at pretty good settings. So for the case, we have the Zalman ATX Mid Tower Case R1. This is a very good looking case for the PC and is extremely easy to work with and is good for cable management as well as thermals. Now with all the parts of the PC done, I'm going to show you how this PC performs in games. So without any further ado, here are the results. So as you guys saw from those results, it can play every single game out there at the highest settings at 1080p, and when you run the games at 4K, you can even do that but by lowering the settings, which is still very good for a budget PC. So in my opinion, this is the best budget PC that you can build for under $500 with all new parts. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.